In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unsubscribe an individual contact from receiving emails in HubSpot. Whether someone has requested to stop receiving emails or you need to manually manage their communication preferences, this is a quick and simple process inside the HubSpot CRM. Managing email opt-outs properly is incredibly important for compliance, deliverability, and maintaining trust with your contacts. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to look for. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials and CRM tips. Let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, head to the top navigation menu. From there, click on CRM and then select Contacts from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your full contacts list where you can search, filter, and manage individual records. If you have a large database, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the specific contact you want to unsubscribe. You can search by name or email address to locate them faster. Once you find the correct contact in the list, click directly on their name. This will open their individual contact record. Inside the contact record, you'll see a detailed overview, including their activity timeline, properties, and communication history. Now look toward the left-hand sidebar of the contact profile. In the upper right corner of that left sidebar, you'll see an Actions drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on Actions. From the drop-down options, select Opt Out of Email. HubSpot will typically prompt you to confirm this action. This step is important because opting someone out means they will no longer receive marketing emails from your account. Confirm the opt-out when prompted. Once confirmed, HubSpot will update the contact's email subscription status. This ensures that they are excluded from future marketing email sends. It's important to understand that this action applies to marketing emails and helps you stay compliant with email regulations like CAN spam and GDPR depending on your region. If the contact later decides they want to receive emails again, you can revisit their contact record and adjust their subscription preferences accordingly, but always make sure you have clear permission before resubscribing anyone. A quick best practice tip: always document why you manually unsubscribe to contact. You can add a note in the activity timeline explaining the reason, such as a direct request from the contact. This keeps your team aligned and provides context if anyone reviews the record later. And that's it. That's how you unsubscribe an individual contact from receiving emails in HubSpot. It only takes a few clicks, but it's an essential part of managing a clean, compliant email list. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step HubSpot guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.